In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add an EMA inside of Tradingview. So the first thing you want to do is just open up a chart inside of Tradingview, and from there, we're then ready to add the EMA. If you didn't already know, the EMA is used in trading to determine whether the price is going to go up or down, and it can help you forecast the future price prediction. So in order to add it, we could go up to the top, and then look for this option that says Indicators. When we click on this, it will open up a search bar as well as all these other tabs. And since we're trying to get an EMA, we can simply search EMA. From there, you can choose the moving average exponential, which is already here. Or if you wanted some community EMAs, there is also some of them down here. If you just wanted the default EMA though, you can simply click this. And as you can see, it now gets added to our chart. If you ever need to get rid of it, you can either right click and click remove indicators, or you can come up to the top left corner, hover over where it says EMA, and then go over to this X and simply click it to get rid of it. So that's how you can add an EMA inside of Tradingview. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.